Alright, y'all, just installed this microwave in the Kia Soul. Now we got microwave. Let's plug it into our Yeti 1500 and see if it works. Damn it, it's tangled up. Untangle it. Plug it in. Okay, we're plugging it in. Gotta press the on button on the Yeti. Okay, we're on. Let's get some power. Alright, we got power. Let's cook something. Alright, let's cook something. It's too long. Start. Alright, it's working. We got it going. It's doing a lot of watts. 1,000 watts. This will only last very long. Ah, we got it working though. We got a microwave. Let's cook something.